Okay folks, so I just did a speed test on our Orbi Wi-Fi 6, and this is basically available in your administration hub at 192.168.1.1, and in the advanced tab you can do a speed test. So basically this speed test run by Ookla or basically speedtest.net takes the speed test at the router source. So this is barring any backhaul, decrease in transmission and whatnot. So you can see my fiber comes in at about 1 gigabit. Upload is in the 500 range. So what I did was run another speed test on a satellite here, and you can see my computer is actually connected to a satellite through an Ethernet port, but connected via the wired backhaul. So this wired backhaul currently gets about half the theoretical maximum of the download from the router to the satellite. Still plenty fast for me. Upload about 400, and this one's about 500, right? So we'll be able to connect or compare after I connect our Wi-Fi 7, our Orbi Wi-Fi 7. Look, it's already advertising here. But going up from Wi-Fi 6, 850 series for me, to the 970 series, we'll do the same comparison. And again, let's do it again live just to see kind of a real ping here. Yeah, they're going to their own local servers here. But again, about half as much, right? Half as much as my theoretical download speed at the source. And upload, a little bit better. They just actually upgraded us for free to the 500, but again, looks like we're peaking out at 400. And I'm doing this without any network traffic on my computers, as the kids are still asleep. Otherwise, it's all sorts of downloads and it's affected, right? So, and then we could do another speed test. This one doesn't have too much visuals, but this kind of computes this behind the scenes, and it's very helpful to know about this tool because this can test your internet speed, again, at the source, at the router connected to the wireless modem or fiber modem. So it should pop up momentarily. There's no graphics. And again, we're looking for about 1 gig download, about 500 upload is the tier that I'm paying for the fiber. Upgraded to fiber recently after, again, years of using Spectrum with asymmetrical upload. It was just too slow. I was only getting about 30, 50, but a gig download. So it's pretty nice. 1 gig download, about half a gig upload. So not terrible. If you guys want to save a lot of money, maybe the last generation Wi-Fi 6 Orbis are beneficial. Let's see if we can beat that with Wi-Fi 7. All right, remember these numbers? We're going to compare that after we install our Wi-Fi 7 and compare how that backhaul and its dedicated 5 gigahertz band performs. Okay, so we have the 970 Orbi Wi-Fi 7 satellite connected. This is now set up and wired to the back of our computer, and just ran a speed test here. You can see that this is the improvement that I have going from Wi-Fi 6 to Wi-Fi 7. Same internet speeds, but obviously we do have the advantage here of having the additional Wi-Fi 7 backhaul, which in this case is running 5 and 6 gigahertz bands. So it actually shows you in your Orbi app how it's connected. So I'm getting kind of a theoretical maximum upload right now at 500 megabits. And then again, the download is close to theoretical as well, which is the 1 gigabit. So you can see this is some improvement to what we were expecting would happen. Again, my desktop is wired to the satellite, and the satellite is going through Wi-Fi 7 backhaul. So that's the advantage of Wi-Fi 7. So hopefully this is helpful just to kind of see how the Orbi 7 does incrementally improve your backhaul through its expanded Wi-Fi wireless dedicated 5 gigahertz band for just the backhaul. Okay, thanks for watching, and hopefully that can help you decide whether or not it is worth, hey, that's no pun intended, but look what just popped up, worth every penny, which are a lot of pennies, as you can see here in this ad, actually. Yeah, we're talking about $2,300 for 3 of these. All right, leave your comments. Tell me what you think below. Is it worth the upgrade? Is it worth spending this much money to get Orbi and Wi-Fi mesh networks, or just rewire the house? Should we rewire it with Cat 8, Cat 7? But again, the biggest question, are you going to be able to connect 200 devices to your Wi-Fi network? I don't know. Existential question, existential crisis. It's a problem that most people do not have, and a solution for that problem that probably is decades away when we actually have that bandwidth bottlenecked that requires all this. But future-proof yourself. You can invest in a Wi-Fi 7 Orbi. And you guys think of anything else that I should do to test this out and show you things, let me know. Be happy to play around with these routers for you.